Vallarta, Gino F. Silvestre, Maria Divina S. Leble, yours truly, Jefferson S. Villamor, Roman Santa Rosa, Oliver Reyes, Maria Carmen L. Menda, Marichu J. Mariano, Maria Cristina Ocampo Alcantara, Jan Ralph Erson M. Domingo, Jesse C. Talia Jr., Mark Alcazar, Mark Vincent Felix. Ratify in action whatever decision that will arriving. GC Arnold Tech sign. GC Arnold Texon. Prime Chancellor Erickson Certeza. Geraldine Ann Ladrino PLC. Grace Dula PLC and some other collegiate members. Let's welcome one of our founders, si Daddy Bot. Yung binasa ko doon, ayun ang mga undersign. Itong babasahin kong to. Kung magtatanong kayong tatlo, bakit nandito? Kasi by phone.
Galing ka sa Amerika. Okay,
Can I request na yung mga cellphone ninyo, kung ano, silent
mode.
Dahil medyo English to. Hindi ako masyado sa English. After the hardship and trials undergone by our beloved chapter, Theta PSI, and all the here touches and to all the heartaches and headaches of each and every one of us, we thank the Lord God Almighty for giving us a sound mind and tough heart to come up with this firm and equal solution. Equal solution. All are said and all ears have heard. After reading all the submitted statements of all brothers involved, the fact-finding committee with the ratification of residents come up with the following resolution.